Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today I'm gonna tell you about women head shave. Are you thinking about trying a head shave? It can be a bold and empowering move for some women. It's a great way to feel liberated and embrace a new look. If you are considering it, make sure you are doing it for yourself and not because of anyone else's expectations. Rock whatever makes you feel confident and beautiful. Shaving your head can be a bold and empowering choice. It's a great way to embrace a fresh look and feel confident. If you decided to go for it, make sure to rock it with style. Let me know in a comment section if you need any tips or advice on the head shaving process. So viewers, let's end the video here. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming video notification from me. Thank you.